so complex. There is this really like comforting, big old quilts from a cedar closet, fresh baked, little old cottage, all of that, and then you stick it in a little coupe glass. That is just the depth and complexity and beauty and comfort of this cocktail. So, let's go shopping. Sweetdram, Scottish Amaro. What, do you ask, is this? So you get some of that bitter, some of that sweet. This one you get a little smoky, a little menthol. It's warming and comforting and like, how do I want to say this? It's very nostalgic. The Rittenhouse rye, it's a great price point, great to use in cocktails. It's delicious. Also for the cocktail, you're going to want the higher proof because the flavor will come through better in the cocktail. So we are gonna make our Highland sour. 1.5 ounces Scottish Amaro. One of the coolest products we have. It's faster than I anticipated. 3/4 ounces of a high proof rye. 3/4 ounce fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1/4 ounce orgeat, which is a almond simple syrup-ish thing. Yeah. Egg white or FIFO. Dry shake that. Then add ice. Get said ice all over the place. Shake again. Coupe glass? Come on, you bastard. And that is how you make our Highland sour.